Hey guys, it's Shadow Flyer. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a simple issue with a Saturn tilt steering column. As you can see, even when the steering wheel is locked, the whole steering column jiggles up and down with minimal effort. This becomes especially annoying when turning or driving over bumps when you have to pretty much chase the wheel. These instructions will be slightly different for each model, but the job will be relatively the same. First, we need to remove the steering column cover. To do this, we will remove these 3 screws with a T15 star driver and a 9/32 socket. After this, we will need to remove the ignition cover, which just pops off pretty easily with a flathead screwdriver. Now we're ready to remove the actual cover. Press on the top part to release the plastic clips and then move the top part out of the way. Then lift the bottom part up just enough that you can get it over the ignition. Press again on the top part of the column on the other side if necessary to remove any more clips. Then both parts can be removed with very little effort. And now that those are out of the way, we can look for the actual issue. Some cars have issue with the mounting brackets coming loose, in which case you'd have to find which bolts are loose and tighten them, but in this case the problem is much simpler. The little rod sticking out underneath and a little bit forward of the ignition just needs to be put back into position. If you look around the part, you can see exactly what the pin does and how it actually holds the steering wheel and at the tilt position you want. But for the purposes of this video, just push the pin in with either your finger or a flathead screwdriver, or any flat object will do. In this case, I use a pair of wire cutters. You can then repeat the process in reverse order to put the steering column back together. And once you do that, everything will be fixed. Hope this video helped you with your issue. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below for future video suggestions. Have a great day, guys.